Today, I'll walk you through how to fix the slow performance issue in Microsoft Edge, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to optimize your browser settings so you can enjoy a faster and more efficient browsing experience. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is up, look to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see a three-dot menu. Click on it. This menu is like the control center of your browser, giving you access to a variety of settings. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, it's totally normal as updates can change the interface a bit. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to System and Performance. This section is where the magic happens. Now open the Performance section. Here you'll find a suite of optimization tools designed to enhance your browsing experience. Think of these tools as a toolkit for tuning up your browser. You'll see features like Performance Detector, Sleeping Tabs, and PC Gaming Boost. Each of these plays a role in reducing resource usage, improving responsiveness, and optimizing performance while you browse. Take a moment to review the available settings. Adjust them based on your preferences and system requirements. For instance, enabling sleeping tabs can help free up memory by putting inactive tabs to sleep, much like closing the door to a room you're not using. This can significantly speed up your browsing. Once you've finished updating the settings, there's no need to hit a save button. Your changes will be applied automatically. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. That's how to improve performance and help Microsoft Edge run more efficiently. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.